Hello kids, it's Miss Lynn. Today Miss Lynn want to teach you a dance with the song Skidamarink, I Love You. First, you do like flowers blooming like this. 1, 2. Very good. One more time. 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2. Very good. Can you draw a heart shape? Like this. I love you. One more time. I love you. And I love you in the morning, and in the afternoon you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Love and 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Let's go. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you in the evening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Hands on your waist. Okay, let's go. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love you in the evening. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-ding, Skidamarink-a-doo. I love you. Good job.